Making the decision to stop nursing is definitely a personal choice, but when your child is biting, you might find that you want to make that decision sooner than you had planned. And we want to help that from happening. And so if your child is biting while nursing, we want to figure out why that's happening. So one, is it because they're teething? Or two, are they bored with how slow the flow is essentially? So if your child is biting at the beginning of a feeding session, it could be that they're having a difficult time initiating that letdown. So you getting in there and doing hand expression prior to them latching, as well as after they've latched to help the milk flow aplenty, that can be very helpful. If your child is biting at the end of a feeding session, they might be telling you that they're done. And so keep an eye on them, see when they give you that mischievous face like they're gonna bite down, and go ahead and unlatch them as soon as you can. And again, you can always tell your child no, put your breast or chest away, and let them know that the feeding session is going to be over if they're going to bite.